Welcome back to CNV's DIY Tech Tips. I'm Charlotte, known as C.
I'm Vera, known as V.
And together we are CNV's DIY Tech Tips. And in tonight's episode, we are going to talk about something that I'm sure irks all of you. We've all got those TVs in our houses. Beautiful flat screen TVs lying around, but not smart TVs. In today's world of Netflix and Disney Channel and online apps, everyone needs a smart TV, not so. So how do you turn that dumb TV into a smart TV? Well, I've got news for you. It's pretty easy with one of these little gadgets. So this is one of my favorites. This is known as a TV stick. This particular brand is from Xiaomi from China, and it's accredited by both Netflix and DSTV. So this is why I recommend this one. You can also get this in a box format, but this little stick costs about $799 currently on any one of your popular online stores or in-store. It comes with this little gadget that you plug into the TV. There you go. HDMI. Comes with a plug that you'll plug into your power supply, and it comes with a remote that you'll be able to get your apps. So tonight we're going to show you how to set this up. Not so, Vera?
Yes.
Right, so these three little devices are miracle workers. This is what will turn your dumb TV into a smart TV. This particular brand is from Xiaomi, and it's called a TV stick. But you can also get this brand in a My box, and this one is the My TV stick. I prefer the TV stick because it works just like a USB, which you plug into the back of your TV. This is an HDMI connection, and even those old dumb TVs, most of them today have got an HDMI connection. So this is what will plug straight into the HDMI of your TV. This will plug into your power source, and this here is your remote. Once we get it connected, I'll show you how it works, but it's really very easy. Here's a power button. This acts as a arrow up and arrow down, and the middle acts as an OK. Here we go. We've got two shortcuts, one to Netflix and one to Amazon, should you have Amazon. Here's your volume up and down. And yes, this will make your TV smart. Right, so there's my 32-inch flat TV. Vera, will you switch it on for me, please? There we go. You can see it's quite an old one. And there we go. What do we have here? A blue screen with no signal. Right, so Vera, let's us plug this TV in. So Vera is going to help us turn this into a smart TV with that little device. Right, Vera, let's plug it first into the power supply. So that will now power the TV stick. And let's have a look at this TV first. Right, so there we go. It's quite tricky. One has to turn it upside down, but you can see there are two HDMI cavities. And most TVs, even the old ones, always came with an HDMI. So let's plug one of those in now, Vera. Right, so you can see, you look at the TV stick, you see that little white light. So that means that it's got power. So let's go have a look at the front and see what happens now. Right, let's switch the TV on. And there we go. What have we got here? Look at all these apps that are now available with this TV stick. So of course this needs an update, but you can see you've got Netflix, you've got Amazon Prime, YouTube, Google Play, and there we go. There's our favorite Netflix shows that we've been busy watching. So let's show you how this then works. There we are. Yeah, we've got the remote. So let's go and have a choose something. Right. think I switched it off. If you like this video and want to see more such videos, click subscribe to our channel and like us. We would love to hear more from you. Bye!
Bye-bye.